You buy a home generator to keep your air conditioner, heating system, sump pump, Wi-Fi, TV, lights, and appliances running in the event of a power outage. And as power outages happen more often and last longer, a generator is becoming a must-have for homes across the country. There are numerous items accessible to generator. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best generator from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. DuroMax XP12000EH Generator. The XP12000EH is powered by a DuroMax 457cc OHV engine. The ability to run on propane or gasoline allows the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. Protects your investment by automatically shutting the generator off when it senses that the oil is low. With 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts, this unit can handle heavy loads from lights and a refrigerator to a home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. With DuroMax MX2 technology, get the maximum power from each of the 120-volt receptacle. Choose between operating the generator at both 120 volts and 240 volts simultaneously, or at 120 only with full power. Like all DuroMax generators, the XP12000EH is EPA and CARB approved for use in all 50 states. 4-stroke. Number 2. DuroMax DS4000's portable generator. 4,000 peak watts and 3,300 running watts. This unit can handle heavy loads, from lights in the refrigerator to home air conditioner and high amperage power tools. The DuroStar 208cc OHV engine is a workhorse that provides plenty of power to handle multiple jobs, from powering high voltage appliances to heavy duty power tools. Protects your investment by automatically shutting the generator off when it senses that the oil is low. The power panel includes a selection of outlets for maximum compatibility in your applications, including 2 120V household outlets and one 120V 38 twist lock outlet. The panel also includes a voltmeter for measuring voltage output. All DuroStar generators are both approved by the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, and CARB, California Air Resources Board, and follow strict guidelines to ensure our generators are as environmentally friendly as possible. 4,000 watt surge or 3,300 watt continuous. 4-gallon gas tank or 8-hour runtime. Number 3. Champion Power Equipment. At only 39 pounds, this inverter is one of the lightest 2,500 watt inverters in the industry. 53 BA from 23 feet is perfect for camping, tailgating, or to back up a few home essentials, featuring 2,500 starting watts, 1,850 running watts, and up to 11.5 hours runtime. The optional clip-on parallel kit enables this inverter to connect with another 2,500 watt Champion inverter to double your output power. Includes 2 covered 120V 28 household outlets with clean electricity, less than 3% THD. Includes 3-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical support from dedicated experts. Number 4. Pulsar G12KBN Heavy Duty Portable Dual Fuel Generator. 12,000 peak watts 9,500 rated watts, gasoline, and 10,800 peak watts 8,550 rated watts, LPG. Dual fuel capability allows you to choose between gasoline and LPG fuel sources, great for emergency situations or natural disaster, as LPG may be more readily available and easy to store. The 457cc, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled, OHV engine with electric start is protected by a durable powder-coated frame. The 8-gallon fuel tank gives you up to 12 hours of continuous operation at half load when running on gasoline. Convenient drop-down handles and 10 never-flat wheels for added mobility and easy storage. Complete with low oil shutoff, 3-in-1 digital meter, and automatic voltage regulation for less worry and hassle. Includes propane hose and backed by a 1-year limited. Number 5. WinDF 475T Dual Fuel 120V 240V Portable Generator. Switch between gasoline, 4750 surge watts, 3800 running watt, and propane, 4350 surge, 3500 running, with the simple turn of the selection dial. Voltage easily goes from 120V to 240V, perfect for transfer switches and emergency backup. Electric start powers the 224cc 4-stroke OHV engine, with the turn of a key. 4-gallon tank provides up to 11 hours of half-load runtime. Includes 2 120V GFCI outlets, 5 to 20R, a 120V 240V NEMA 38 twist lock, 14-layer 30R, a 12V DC cigarette lighter style plug, a bottle of oil, a wheel and handle kit, a 47-inch LPG connection hose, and a 2-year warranty.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.